in the process of, of turning on my computer for the first time as Windows 10. Has to update some more stuff still. So my computer's rebooting again. Let's see what's gonna happen now. I think it has to take a little bit longer than normal because it is the first boot, I believe. Hopefully it actually boots up fully this time. Hey look, it's doing something. Nice. Now it has to freaking install the drivers. Meanwhile, I have a freaking issue with my laptop because I had deleted the partition for Linux, so now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do to fix it. Well, it's doing something. I think it's rebooting or something. Right now I'm over here trying to figure out how I'm going to restore the Windows partition. I think I might have to install or grab my Linux disk for it so I can fix the partitions or something. So I basically wasn't able to upgrade to 10 yet. So my computer for some reason wasn't booting properly for Windows, or it wasn't fully upgrading into Windows 10. So I'm going to redo it again on there. And then on my laptop, I had deleted my old Ubuntu to give it more space because I had like 100 and some odd gigs for Ubuntu. When I deleted the partition, it messed up my whole entire boot sequence. So it would just go to like grub rescue. So I was trying to figure out how to get that done. I couldn't figure it out. So finally, I found a couple commands I had to actually go into the Windows recovery. It was bootrec.exe space / / I should say fix boot, and it was like, oh, we can't do this. So I went and did the because it's all about couldn't find no partitions. So I went to the second one, and it was same thing, almost similar. It was what did I say? Bootrec.exe space / fix mbr. And when I did that, it fixed it, and it kept on booting into the recovery mode. It wouldn't go into the operating system, so I went and did the startup repair, and then it automatically fixed it. So now it's basically making sure it's checking all the C drive for me so that it'll boot up properly into Windows 7, and then once I get that going, I'm gonna throw my USB drive back in there and tell it to upgrade again to Windows 10 and see if it'll work, and then hopefully get my desktop going on Windows 10. I'd really like to see it on either one of them. So we're gonna see, but right now I'm about to head to Marcus Theaters because I don't know if I said it or not, but yesterday I got an email for Mission Impossible to see an early release for Wednesday instead of Thursday, and I didn't know it was in person buy only, and I went to go buy the ticket. When I bought the ticket, I bought it for Thursday, not Wednesday. So I gotta go up there. Hopefully no one has bought any seats and I can get us some seats, and get my other one refunded so we can watch it tonight, so I don't have to worry about that. But freaking chat's blowing up now on me, as you guys can hear. But I'm about to go ahead to do that. Excuse the loud wind noise, but it is freaking hot out. I went outside and the humidity and the heat just hit me straight in the freaking face. I was like, oh my god, it's so freaking hot out. So I'm on my way up to the Marcus Crosswoods to go get this tickets exchanged. Hopefully I didn't wait too long because I fell asleep and I was supposed to get up at 8:30 and go up there early in the morning, but I didn't. So I'm on my way now. So I'm hoping for the best. It's not every day that you see someone towing a UPS truck. He's like, I'm gonna deliver them packages. I'm gonna deliver them. So I'm finally here at the Marcus Theater or Cinema, and about to go get these tickets exchanged. Well, unfortunately, I didn't get tickets for tonight. I just got a refund. I walked in there and it said it was sold out. So unfortunately, we're not gonna be able to watch a movie tonight because I talked to the guy. He said it was sold out last night, like at 8 o'clock. So yeah, we just gotta figure out what we're gonna do now. But I know I need to go home and start on some of my schoolwork because it needs to be done today. I've finally got the laptop to fully almost update. It's in the process of copying the files and is now finally upgrading to Windows 10. Hopefully it actually goes through this time, since I'm not deleting the Ubuntu partition. It took like almost 2 hours to... Well, I already deleted the partition. I had to resize the actual Windows partition to max out where the old Ubuntu partition was. So that almost took like 2 hours to repartition to get it bigger. I didn't lose any files. I just redid it in what was the freaking thing called? I forget what it is. It's a drive manager in Ubuntu. It's a real old one. I had Ubuntu 9.4 on the live disk. That's the only one I could find. I need to actually make a new up-to-date live disk of a new edition, because the one I had, it didn't even have the Wi-Fi connectivity for me to do anything. But luckily enough, I had the partition part, so I was able to extend the partition on the C drive partition and was able to go in and actually tell Windows to fix the boot up sequence. So it should be working now. So as long as that update's fine, I should be good. I should be running Windows 10 on my laptop now. Hopefully in the next less than an hour, maybe, hopefully. So right now I am making a live Ubuntu disk, because just in case if I need to use Ubuntu for anything, as far as like copying files from a computer or something of an issue, I have Ubuntu. While I'm burning a new disk through image burn, the new 14.4.2. So I have a brand new up-to-date version of Ubuntu, so I don't have to worry about any driver issues. It's finally updated. Sweet. Go through all this real quick. Should finally be booting now. Hi, how are you? How you doing? We're setting things up for you. Oh, thank you. I gotta edit my picture. I like that start. I like the new start menu, not menu, but start screen. It has like your name and your picture, and has like a picture of a window, and it's all blue, and has like light coming out the corners of it. It's really cool. Hi, yeah. We're setting things up for you. You just said that. This won't take long. Do not turn off your PC. No, do not do it. Just a few more tweaks.
Does this have the window tiles on it?
Yeah, it's the next updated version from 8. It's the next and last installment.
Yeah, it's the 10th.
Yeah.
Windows 10.
It's the last one they're ever making, period. Guess what you doing? Let's start. Let's go. Yay, it finally booted up. Looks kind of different. Like down here, start menu. Difference. Oh, I see it. Like this whole entire taskbar menu down here is different. Watch. I'll show you how much different this is. Hit the start menu. And that pops up.
Ah. Oh, there go Windows tiles.
Yeah. If you actually, I think you hit the window button key.
Look, Miss Kitty just in time. Hi, Kitty.
Oh.
Hi, Miss Kitty.
I guess it doesn't do it. But yeah, you can actually go into tile mode. I don't know where it's at. I still gotta fiddle with it. I think. Oh, that's task view. Oh, yeah, that's that task view. Yeah, also. That's the market. Store. Place. Shizbotness. I do not. Oh. That's the new web browser.
Oh,
Microsoft
cool.
Edge. Instead of Explorer. The most slowest thing in the whole entire world. My computer's still being slow booting up. Or that's being slow booting up. One of the two. Katana, which is the new voice search thing.
Oh, cool.
Speaking of Get Office, I need to install Office probably back on here. No, it should be already on here. Hey Windows or Microsoft, if you're watching this, you need to make a green boot up login screen, not a blue one. Got that? Green. So I've been using Windows 10 for a little while now. I actually like it quite a bit. I had a few bug errors here and there with it. I had to reinstall my antivirus because it wasn't working properly with the firewall, but now it's finally working. And I actually learned how to activate it so that the voice command will always like pop up if you say it right. So this is something that's pretty cool that I think something that I think you could use for like Google. I think it's the same thing, but it's pretty neat. Watch this. Hey Cortana, open Adobe Premiere Pro.
Here's Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2015.
And then it freaking opens it up for me without even have to touch anything, search anything. It just boop, open up. That's my desktop if you want to know what that sound is. And there it goes. Opens right up. Took it a little minute because laptop's moving a little slow. But yeah, don't even have to touch nothing. It just boop right up. And then the reminder thing's pretty cool. I have to get used to using that, but it's pretty cool. But like I said, it has some issues with it, like being buggy slow, but the more times I reboot it, it pretty much has been booting up a little bit faster every time. And then I had added another user for Kwane for her stuff, so when she wants to use it, she can use it. So but yeah, I'm really enjoying it so far. So I'm just can't wait to update my desktop and then go from there. That'd be pretty nice. But yeah, that's pretty much still opening it up. I don't know if it's gonna open all the way properly, but yeah. There it goes, opened all the way up. And then you can create, and then for instance, like I can do my vlogs or open up one of my past ones. Looks like it still has the theme for Windows 10 up top for the borders. Yeah, for some reason with my laptop and my desktop doesn't more, but my desktop I run AMD graphics card stuff. But yeah, it's always, for some reason, I always have like issue with it not responding. But yeah, so it opened finally all the way up for the vlog stuff. I don't normally use the Premiere on my laptop most of the time. I usually do on my desktop because it's a lot faster. But yeah, I just wanted to pull that up just to show you that it will actually open applications without you even have to open them up. You can just tell Cortana to do it. So it's pretty neat.